Hello friends, myself Mohan. This session is very important for those who are preparing for the civil services examination. In this session, we are dealing with the reference books for the preparation of geography for an UPSC. So let's see. So let me divide my subject geography into two parts. One area we have principles of geography. And rest one is the Indian geography. Now, for these two sessions, I have to suggest you some books. For Indian geography, prefer will NCERT. Now for general geography, we read NCERT, but later first the related book, a very old book. Some of you might read that by famous author by the name J.C. Leong. This book is very famous by the name of author, more but otherwise name of book is Certificate of Physical and Human Geography. Though you are supposed to do NCERT from 6th to 12th standard almost for all sessions, also but in a very new thing, when you don't very clear with basics of geography, I wouldn't suggest you to read all the books immediately. I only take up two books from NCERT. You will start with that, and after some upcoming sessions, I will suggest you other books also. From now, we need one NCERT book from 11th standard. And see, in 11th standard there are two semesters, first and second. First book is related to general geography. For that, we preferred J.C. Leong, and your second semester book is on India. Will buy NCERT 11th standard second semester book, and this book is with title India Physical Environment. It talks about all aspects of our country, talk about all physical aspects of our country. NCERT 12th standard. In 12th standard there is also two semester, third and fourth. Third semester book is again related to the general geography. So for that we are referring the J.C. Leong. We prefer Indian geography book from 12th standard. It's fourth semester book, and this book is on human aspects. The title is India's People and Economy. When you're going to purchase the book, the seller tell you that do you need to read new or old. Now the question new or old frequently asked from students that which book we have to read. So I suggest you today, please purchase new edition. Please purchase the new edition of these two books. So I suggest you today, please purchase new edition of these two books. In Indian geography, we prefer to new edition, and this is minimum prefer besides my class notes. I believe that you people are aware that it's a long zone of examination. You will need 1.5 year of continuous hard work, and then you will need the continuous motivation for the examination. Need continuous motivation for this examination. So talk doesn't cook rice, and love what you do. Keep smiling, enjoy, and love what you do. This is all about the references, minimum references for Indian geography. If you like my video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.